Good day, everyone. I am your presenter, Josie Pereña. With me in the study, Mrs. Elisa Sarmiento and Reymarck Semana. Our study is titled Work Competence and Resilience of Elementary Teachers in the Reopening of In-Person Classes in the Naic District Province. Work competence in this study is referring to technical and pedagogical. Technical competence focused on assessing the practical skills of teachers when it comes to the implementation of different learning modalities, while pedagogical competence focused on methods and practices of teachers in the delivery of instruction. Resilience is referring to the ability of teachers to bounce back during and or after a stressful situation. Participants of the study were the 98 elementary teachers in the Blue Cluster of Naic District. This study aimed to determine the relationship between teachers' work competence and resilience in the reopening of face-to-face classes in the District of Naic Division of Cavite Province. The following are some of the key literature reviewed by the researchers which provide directions to the study. We have the depth order number 034 series of 2022, the study of Danilo and Placido 2018, the study of Al-Adwini and Al-Hafiri 2017, and the study of De Villa and Manalo 2020. For the methodology of the study, we have sampling 98 elementary teachers in the Naic District. They were randomly selected. For the data collection, permission to conduct were secured to the proper authorities. Validated researcher-made and adapted questionnaires. The participants accomplished the survey questionnaire via Google form. For the ethical issues, we have provision of the Data Privacy Act of 2012. No amount of money were collected. Practice honesty in reporting data. And for the plan for data analysis, we have the weighted mean and Pearson correlation coefficient. The overall computed mean of technical competence of elementary teachers was 3.87 with a descriptive rating of moderate level. This means that they have good skills on the different areas cited in the technical skills. The table shows that in terms of pedagogical competence, the elementary teachers were at the level of consolidating, as reported by the computed overall mean of 3.90 with a standard deviation of 0.79. Using the CDRISC 25 adapted from the study of Walt et al. 2014, the weighted mean of 4.01 with a standard deviation of 0.74 revealed that they were resilient in the workplace. The overall work resilience when correlated to technical and pedagogical competence yielded a high positive relationship as indicated in the computed value of R is equal to 0.731 and R is equal to 0.787 with the computed p-value is equal to 00 is less than 0.05. Based on the results, the following are the proposed professional development training. A. Capability training on crafting action research. B. Language pedagogy development. C. Resiliency training on a spiritual factor. Amidst the challenges brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, elementary teachers in the Naic District were able to equip themselves with the necessary competence in the delivery of education. Thus, it is concluded that they can adapt and embrace the challenges in the new normal education. Finally, there is a significant positive relationship between work competence and resilience. For the recommendations, to improve their technical skills, teachers must undergo research capability training. To improve the pedagogical skills of teachers, professional development training focused on language pedagogy development is encouraged. To improve the work resilience of teachers, education leaders must continue providing training on technical and pedagogical competence of teachers. Lastly, adaptation of the study is recommended to validate its findings. Here are some of the references of this study.